Hi there, welcome back to Marky RC. On today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Tamiya Sand Scorcher body set. This is a Mark 1 original, got a re-release radio box and a re-release front bumper, but apart from that, it's pretty original. Oh, apart from the decals were re-released as well. Body was in a bit of a bad way when I got it. Sanded it all down, give it a paint job. Had this car for quite a few years now, but I think that's the perfect chassis to put a patinaed looking beetle shell. So what do you get in the box? £37, Jadlam RC online, that was the cheapest I could find it. Let's have a look what's inside. Tamiya's ABS plastic hard beetle body. Really nice detail on these. All the mouldings, petrol cap, even down to like all the fins on the back. You can sort of super detail them up. Really nice decal sheet. I do like the Sand Scorcher decals. Pick and choose which ones you want to use. Get the driver figure with like the 1970s style crash helmet, number plate, sunroof, rear lights, rear number plate light, and the steering wheel and your driver man. Chrome lights, indicator bezels and wing mirrors. Clear glass, front lenses, rear lenses. So you could in theory run a light kit on this if you wanted to. And we've got a front nose cone, fake rear exhaust tip and windscreen wipers. Small bag of hardware for the clips that clip onto the body shell and the roll cage inside. And Tamiya's really nice instructions to show you how to put it all together. Not sure what colour I'm going to paint this. If anyone wants to leave a comment in the comment sections, would be quite cool. Done the original, but I've seen loads of these that look absolutely epic. So I'm not sure whether to do it as like a sort of desert racing buggy or to do it like a road going version that's seen a really hard life. I think the sand sort of buggy would look a lot better. But what colour do I paint the body and what colour do I paint the wheel arches? If anyone wants to comment below, let me know. So the next video will be showing you how I do my patina paint jobs. I've got quite a few different techniques, as well as having the correct sort of rust paint that gives you that rust effect. So hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.